Hi, I'm Andie. I'm a senior software developer at Improving Vancouver. I've been here for a little over 2 years, having joined as a software developer back in 2020, right after completing my undergrad. One thing that initially drew me to the company was this idea of it being built by developers for developers. I think it's always made the leadership great at advocating for us. Improving Vancouver has grown and changed so much since I joined. I think size-wise it more than doubled, and then of course it went from a scrappy startup to being part of the wider Improving family. A lot of changes came with that: updated processes, more social events, more learning opportunities. But what's cool is every change has always been shaped by employee feedback. My favorite part about working for Improving Vancouver is the amount of ownership we have in our projects. Even as a new graduate, I got to be involved throughout the development process, from gathering client requirements to the implementation to customer support. It makes it all the more satisfying to see a project succeed. The most challenging part for me is that there are so many opportunities, and Improving will support you in any and all of them. If there's a job responsibility you want to try or an event you want to plan, they will try to enable that for you. It can feel like a buffet where you want to just eat everything, and to extend that metaphor, I sometimes put too much on my plate. Over time and with a lot of guidance, I have gotten to figure out how to try things at a pace that's right for me. My proudest moment at Improving was when I got to work on a project that we released open source. A few months after publishing it, someone submitted an issue to our GitHub and added a little comment just praising the project and thanking us for our work. That random person really made my day. It just felt so cool that our work enabled their work and enriched the wider tech community. It just made me feel like I was part of something bigger. Improving Vancouver helped me so much in my career development because it gave me the space to attempt things with a growth mindset. I got to try team lead responsibilities, leading interviews, scrum mastering, being part of the social events committee, and so many other things. I never saw myself as a leader or a very technical person or a good speaker. I'm still not, but I've learned so much and gotten so much better. My advice to prospective candidates is don't be afraid to put yourself out there. I spent way too long being afraid of looking foolish. I was so intimidated. The work is so cool, the people are so cool and so talented, and that's all true, for sure, but it's also the safest, most collaborative space ever.